What's up YouTube, it's JB coming back at you with another Mini Z video. So I'm back from traveling for work and glad to be home. Also glad to be jumping back into the Mini Z. So we've got a race this weekend and I need to work on my HFAY car a little bit before this weekend. So one of the things I want to do is I want to take the diff apart, clean that, and then I want to install these new titanium coated pressure plates on the diff. So I'm going to clean that up. I got my little cleaning kit here from PN. I've got some brake parts cleaner. So we're going to get that done, and then I also want to, I've been having some issues with the steering servo and the gears in there. So every once in a while when I'm working it back and forth, it'll get kind of hung up. So I don't know if I've got a bent pin in there. I'm not sure exactly what's going on, but every once in a while it'll get hung up. So I just figured, you know what, PN just came out with this gear set, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and change it out for that set and replace the pins and then just kind of start fresh with that. So I got the gear set from PN that they just came out with, so I've got that servo gear set. I've got the PN brass 4th gear, and then I also went ahead and bought the Kyosho set so I could have new pins to put in there as well, just to make sure everything's up to par. If I'm going to take it apart and rebuild it, I might as well replace those pins for a few extra bucks and know that they're right and be ready to go. So without further ado, let's go. Alright, so I got everything installed. I got the pressure plates, the new titanium pressure plates installed on the diff. You can see it in there, you can see the gold. So installation of that went really well, got everything cleaned up and got it all back together. I also changed out the gears and the pins in the servo as well with the new PN gears that they came out with. So I got that. I'm no longer having that issue where it binds and hangs up. Not sure if it was just dirty or if there might have been a burr on one of those plastic gears that was in there, but so far so good. I've done some runs with it. Everything looks good, feels good. The diff plates, it's going to be a little while before I can tell if they're worth the upgrade because of the wear on them. I'm hoping the wear is less and there's no sanding of the old plates. I don't know if it'll show on the camera, but you can see these plates, they get worn out. So you got to sand those down very lightly with sandpaper. So you sand those down to get them smooth again. But you can see these have some I think you can see it on there. So you can see where the bearings are going around in there. So hopefully these new plates will save for some of that. I know I've had a couple of guys reach out and just asking if I've had any luck with these plates yet. So I'll hopefully do an update on that soon, and hoping to get some racing in this weekend. Glad to be doing some Mini Z stuff again, and we'll see you guys next time.